How to make garlic tea. Garlic tea benefits. Garlic tea is a herbal tonic prepared from lemon, honey, and garlic that is consumed hot. It is a well-known treatment for cold symptoms such as congestion and cough, and it is best served steaming hot. Many of the therapeutic applications of garlic have been established in human studies, but not all of the advantages of garlic tea have been confirmed in human studies. Garlic tea is an excellent method to maintain good health, particularly if you drink it first thing in the morning. Even though it doesn't seem like the most delectable beverage on the universe, the fact that it's packed with vitamins A, B, and C, antioxidants, fiber, manganese, and sulfur makes it well worth it. The use of garlic has been attributed with healing or alleviating virtually every disease known to mankind. Some, but not all, of the health advantages of garlic have been shown scientifically. It's believed that garlic has a number of health advantages, some of which include: detoxes the body, keeps blood glucose levels normal, helps reduce cough, asthma, and common cold symptoms, reduces chances of dementia, improves heart health, improves eye health, help reduce cholesterol, helps reduce urinary tract infections and kidney infections, helps boost your sex life, helps prevent hair loss, boost your immunity, helps fight blood clots, helps to combat cancer, treat vaginal yeast infections. Now start with the second part of the video, how to prepare garlic tea or garlic juice. Take 3 cups of water and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, crushed or chopped, in a pan. Cover the pan with a lid and put on the flame, till the water boils. Turn off the heat after it boiled. Add honey and lemon juice according to taste. Strain it into cups and enjoy the healthy garlic tea. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe. Watch my suggested videos. Be healthy, be nutritive.